welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be making a quick and easy natural facial mask. I use this facial mask on my skin, especially when I'm having dark spots and blemishes, when I'm having pimples and blackheads on my skin. This is what I use to clear my skin up. So if you're looking for a natural way to clear your skin and give yourself smooth, younger looking skin, this recipe is for you. So follow me to the kitchen. I'll share the recipe with you. I will also show you how to use it on your skin for best results. Today I'm going to be using tomato, and I like using tomato on my skin. Tomato have a lot of vital properties that is great for the skin. It helps to reduce the risk of sunburn. It also helps to smooth inflammation on the skin. It also helps to boost the collagen production. It may help to remove dead skin cells. It is good for anti-aging purposes, and it also helps to fight cellular damage. An amazing natural ingredient to use on the skin. It is also great for acne prone skin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use about a half of a medium tomato, and you can use whatever type of tomato you have, and I'm going to be blending. However, if you do not have a blender, you can go ahead and you could grate the half of tomato, or you can use a mortar and just crush the tomato. Now I'm going to chop mine. I have a small blender, so I want to chop it in small pieces for easier blending. Now once this is done, I'm going to place my tomato in the blender. And for this recipe, we're not going to add any water to this. The tomato is going to provide its own liquid. And now let's move on to the next ingredient. Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have some dried lemon peel, and lemon peel contains antioxidants such as vitamin C, and vitamin C will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. It will also help to boost the collagen production in the skin, and it will also help to get rid of the dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. An amazing vitamin to use, especially if you're looking for younger, fresher skin. So I'm going to use about a quarter teaspoon. If you're using lemon or lime juice, go ahead and use a teaspoon. And once this is done, we are going to blend, and we are going to blend well. Now after blending, I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of the blended tomato and lemon zest. And then I'm going to reach for my next ingredient, which is yogurt. And yogurt contains lactic acid. Yogurt will help to brighten the skin. It will also help to get rid of dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. It will help to clean those pores out, and it will leave your skin looking fresh and radiant once used on a regular. So I'm going to use about a tablespoon of yogurt, and I'm going to add this to the lemon and tomato mixture. And now I'm going to mix well. Now, if you have dry skin, you can go ahead and add about 2 to 3 drops of your favorite oil, whether it's olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil, or even your anti-aging oil, such as rosehip oil, cacao oil, squalene oil, you name it. So now we are going to mix well. Once this is done, the mask is ready to use on your skin. So you're going to apply this to clean skin. And what I like to do, I like to use it to exfoliate my skin before. So just rub it on your face like I'm showing here, and rub it all over your face. This is also good to use on the neck and the décolleté. Now, once you totally cover and exfoliate your face with this, you can choose to go back in and add a second layer. Do not rinse off. Leave this on your skin for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, now is the time to rinse off, preferably with some cold water. Pat dry the skin and apply your favorite skincare products. This is good to use 2 to 3 times per week for best result. If you're just starting out and you're trying to get your skin to look really good in a short time, use this every day for 7 days, and then you go to 2 to 3 times a week. Now, with continuous use, you will see an amazing difference to your skin.
Also, guys, when you're using this, don't forget to go down on your neck and décolleté. This is also great to exfoliate your neck, especially if you have dark, rough looking neck and you want to light it up somehow. Use this to exfoliate the neck and leave it on your neck just like on your face for the 30 minutes. You can also choose to use this on your hands and knees and elbows. And store this in your refrigerator for up to 7 days.
Watching. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up the video is basically supporting the channel, because that is how the system depict that you like it, and share it with others. Also, if this was the first time watching and you want to see more of these amazing videos, well, what you need to do is to subscribe. So look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also at the side there's a little bell. If you click on that, you will get a notification as soon as I upload a video. I also have my social media platforms. My Instagram, here it is right here. Follow me on Instagram, support your girls. You know, I'm trying to grow my Instagram channel. I'm also on Facebook, and on Facebook I'm Khichi Beauty, so follow me over there. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.